What's up, everyone? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. So I got another little part in for the motorcycle. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little install. This one will be very short. This is very easy. So what I've gotten in today is a little Thrashin Bar Bag, and I want to give you guys some of my initial thoughts on it, and show you guys putting it on the bike. When I first looked at it, it took me just a minute to figure it out, just because of the way they sent it packaged, which was absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's just I'm not familiar with bar bags. I haven't used them. I've used tank bags in the past when I rode sport bikes and stuff. I've got my road glide, I've had a street glide and all also, and I've just never needed bar bags before. So this was my first one. So it's after I looked at it for a minute, I figured it out. It was really easy, really simple to do. But I did want to show you guys the bag and let you guys look at it, and I'll throw a few things in it and kind of show you what it looks like and what all you can put in there. So really impressed with it. I'm glad I went with this little Thrashin Bar Bag. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll get started. All right, everyone, so here's the bag. It comes with this little tag on it that's hooked to this little MOLLE strap right here. So little Thrashin handlebar bag. Really no instructions or anything on it, but it seems to be a very heavy-duty, well-made product. It comes with these little clips right here, which I currently don't need. These are for the tool roll, I believe. If I'm wrong with that, somebody please comment and let me know. So I'm currently going to go ahead and pull these off. It comes with these little straps right here, these little Velcro straps. So what threw me off when I first looked at it was what holds it up. And then I realized it had after seeing it has these little MOLLE loops right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull these off right here, pull these out, and I'm gonna slide them up in here just like that. All right, and these I'm going to move down one. And I'll show you all the purpose of doing this here in just a second. But I went and looked at my bars and my risers, and I think that this is going to work out the best for me, if y'all can see. So what I've done was I moved these down to the bottom MOLLE strap, and I moved these to the top, and I'll show y'all guys that here in just a minute. But what I did want to show y'all, why I had it right here and I could maneuver this, is it's got MOLLE little loops sewn into it right here. Now this is very heavy duty made. It's got MOLLE loops here, and of course the MOLLE loops here, and it's got some more spots here. So this is a very well made bag, very nice, heavy duty. It's got a sunglasses holder right here. It's all microfibered, I guess that's what it is. Whatever, it's safe for your glasses. So that's a really nice feature there. It also has, and I didn't realize this when I ordered it, but it also has a pocket right here, so you can shove more stuff in it. And then this spot, it's got, this is your main compartment here, and it's got a spot here, and it's got some more pockets here. So this thing is pretty nice. So let's go ahead and stick this thing on the bike, and then I'll throw some stuff in it and show you what all you can carry. You know, you'll be able to carry a lot more than what I'm gonna throw in it, but just to give you guys an idea. So stick around for just a minute and we'll get this on the bike. All right, everyone. So the reason I put these in right here is because I'm going to use them to attach them to the bars. So I'm going to wrap that around there, as you can see. So that one's velcroed on. I told you guys this is a very easy install. You got that one there, so that's going to hold it in the up position so it doesn't slide down your forks. You can see this. This is your other one. I'm gonna pull this up right here. I'm trying to pull it tight, and got that one strapped on. This bag is, oops, sorry about that. This bag just want to pull it tight right here. So there. So this is what it looks like on the bike from looking at it from the front of the bike. I will say I do wish that these were about an inch or so longer, just to give me a little bit more. It looks like I only have about a 3/4 of an inch or so right there, maybe 3/4 of an inch or so right there that's holding it, when that piece is about 1.5 inches, 2 inches long. So I wish this one, now I do have the Thrashin risers, so I would hope that these would be just a little bit longer, but they're probably fine. It's just me, I'm kind of a stickler for some things. So let's get it turned back around to the front and we'll go from there. So here's the front of it. This is what it looks like here. So I will say there's a phone there. Look at here, I'm one of those crazy people that carry 2 phones. Throw that in there, throw wallet, I can drop keys. Look, there's still plenty of room in that bag. There's more than enough room that I can throw a GoPro camera in there, extra GoPro batteries, and also, so this bag is actually a really nice bag. It'd be nice to be able to carry some things on the bike since I don't have any other bags on it. But let me see if I can stand the bike up. So here's looking at it. I don't have my motorcycle key on me, that's why you see all the lights flashing, but right there, that's what it looks like going down the road. There is a sunglasses holder right here. I'm 100% positive that there's probably another way to put this bag on here, but I think for me, this, for ease, this is the way I'm gonna try to run it for right now. I could have this on here wrong, but this is just currently what I'm doing. So that's what the bag looks like. That's what it is. Very easy install. I hope everyone has a blessed day. If you would, please like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks everyone. Have a blessed day.